Hello you all, I am back with another retro review. This time I will be reviewing the movie Andhadhun, which was released in the year 2018. Its OTT rights are with Netflix. However, you can watch it for free on Jio Cinema. It has got 8.2 MDB rating and 100% liking on Rotten Tomatoes. The main characters are Akash, which has been played by Ayushmann Khurrana, Simi, which Tabu, and Radhika Apte as Sophie, and Pramod Sinha, the actor as of 70s mentioned in this movie, and one inspector named Manohar, Autowala Murli, and his sister Shaku. These are the all important characters, and apart from this, you will see one kid named Bandhu and one Dr. Swami. So the story of this movie revolves around how a blind man or pretending to be blind, whatever you will get the answer in the movie. However, Ayushmann Khurrana, the blind man, is living his life. See, so in the beginning, we are shown that Ayushmann Khurrana is playing piano and wearing black glasses. Uh, After that, we see that accidentally he got hit by the scooter of Radhika Apte, and from where he got help and got job from from, and after that he got a job in a restaurant as a piano player. So from there he was earning enough to maintain his life, but in between all this, he came in contact with the actor Pramod Sinha, who invited him for a private concert in his home. But when he went there, he found that his dead body is lying in the hall of his house. But since everybody knows that he is blind, so he can't react anything. This scene was actually well written. I can't express this in words. You will once you will see it, you will be mesmerized. Here we see how he witnessed the murder, but he can't say anything to anyone else. From there, he left her house and went on to police station to complain about this thing. But here he found that the main inspector is the same person who has killed Pramod Sinha. So he went back to his home. This, after some time, we see that Shimi comes to visit her house, and gave him some sweets. But she has mixed something which can make someone unconscious in the sweets, and the same thing happened to Asman Khurana. And when he was unconscious, she damaged her retina, and he became really blind. Till this point, he was not blind, but he was just pretending to be blind. But after this scene, he becomes really blind, and all of a sudden, his life becomes a mess. He kept running on the roads in the midnight to survive, to save his life from Inspector Manohar and Simi. Accidentally, he got hit by a car, and the very next, he found himself in an old building, where Murli and Shaku brought him. Later on, he found out that they did not brought him there for treatment, but they brought to sell his organs to some in black market and earn some money. Then we see how he fools Murli and Saku, and give them a hope that he will give them 1 crore, which Simi has mentioned that the day when Mr. Pramod Sinha died, he went away from his house keeping 1 crore in his bag for some business purpose, but he died on the same day. Akash promised them that he will somehow get them the whole money for if they leave him alive. From here we see some really good things. I don't want to spoil any more story for you guys. I really want you to see this movie. This is mind blowing movie. I've never seen a better Bollywood movie than this. Like, you will be amazed to see the acting of Tabu, or Ayushmann Khurrana's acting will blow your mind. Also, Radhika Apte has done good work, and I don't think any more mentioning it is required. So, if you are planning to watch it for free, you can watch it on Jio Cinema. I will request you all on that you should watch this movie. Keeping this video short, I would like to end it here. I will be back with Kantara review tomorrow. Let me know in the comment, guys, which movie I should review.